Hi, this is the first of two of Premiere Pro prerequisite tutorial videos. So in this tutorial, we're going to register for an Adobe Creative Cloud license, install the desktop version of Creative Cloud, and talk about how to update your applications, and finally install Premiere Pro. To get started downloading Adobe Premiere Pro onto your desktop, simply go to adobe.arizona.edu/students. And then once you're here in this page, simply scroll down until you see Get Access. Go ahead and click on it, and then go ahead and sign in with your NetID. Once you're here, simply fill out this survey to get a license for Adobe Creative Cloud, which will allow you to download more than just Adobe Premiere Pro, such as Photoshop and Adobe Acrobat. Within 24 hours, you will have access to Adobe Creative Cloud. Once you have your license to Adobe Creative Cloud, go ahead to adobe.com. Then once you're on this page, simply click Sign In. Then go ahead and sign in with your NetID Authenticate. And go ahead and choose Company or School Account. And then go ahead and sign in with your NetID. From here, we're going to download Creative Cloud. Creative Cloud is the new Adobe Application Manager, and it's where you're able to set auto updates for all of your applications. So we're going to go ahead and click on Creative Cloud. Then go ahead and click on Download. And then from here, you're able to pause the video once Adobe Creative Cloud is done installing. Once you have opened Adobe Creative Cloud, go ahead and sign in with your NetID Authenticate and choose Company or School Account. Then you'll be brought to this interface. To manually update your Adobe applications, you're going to go ahead to the left-hand corner where it says Apps, and then go ahead and click on Updates. Once you're here, you're able to manually update your applications and see what applications were updated recently. From here, we're going to go onto the search bar and type in Premiere Pro. Then we're going to click on Apps, click on Premiere Pro, and then go ahead and click on Install. Once it is finished installing, you should be brought up to this interface. You now have officially installed Premiere Pro onto your desktop. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions or concerns, I recommend joining into our OSCR-ONLINE Zoom sessions, where we are more than happy to help. Or go to OSCR-ONLINE's YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.